Okay, let's dive into this high-impact investment opportunity in Kuala Lumpur's premier commercial hub.
Bangsar South has incredible demand. River Park is your ideal entry point into this high-growth corridor. This location positions your investment for success, tapping directly into a vibrant professional community. It starts with a core factor every investor and resident values: unbeatable connectivity. That's the distance to the Angkasapuri KTM station, placing the city's transit network at your doorstep.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the combination of rail and highway access. Beyond location, the development itself is designed for today's discerning resident. The layouts are practical and efficient, housed within an elegant architectural design.
Residents can enjoy a complete lifestyle experience without ever leaving home.
And this brilliantly illustrates the focus on a balanced, modern lifestyle.
This isn't just about luxury, it's also about sustainable, future-proof design.
The Green Reuse certification translates to lower utility costs and a healthier living environment. Let's move on and see how this builds into the complete lifestyle proposition. Everything you need, from world-class retail to top-tier healthcare and education, is just minutes away. So the crucial point for any investor is understanding the demand. The massive demand from professionals working in Bangsar South's MSc status offices ensures high occupancy and resilient yields. This table shows the accessible entry points, with layouts ideal for the professional rental market. Backed by a renowned developer, this asset is targeted for completion in 2026. This is your chance to own a modern urban asset in one of KL's most vibrant hubs. Take the next step to secure your investment in this high-growth corridor. What will your returns look like in KL's most sought-after commercial address?